is this Sunday, February 22nd.
Mm-hmm.
We have the dance of relationship where I teach the energy that people bring into their dynamics with people, whether you're single or couple. Like, I can't see you like you see me. You can't see
Mm-hmm.
you like I see,
Yeah.
I see you.
Yeah.
So in that, we're not aware of how people receive us. So I put you in a stranger's arms and it becomes really obvious how they receive you and vice versa. So it's simple way of having self-awareness of how you actually show up energetically.
Mm-hmm.
It's a visceral experience. It's not a dance class. I just use the
Yeah.
dance frame briefly as an exercise to get the visceral experience of being in somebody's energy. And then we talk about it. There's a lecture part of it and Q&As. So
Q&A,
again,
yeah.
once a month, the last Sunday of every month in Los Angeles, live and in person, building a community of like-minded people. In the end, if you bring your friends and family and or your buddies and your girlfriends, what best way to meet somebody? It's the,
True.
forget the
Yeah.
dating apps. It's a nightmare. Like
Yeah.
eyeballs to eyeballs, like-minded
Yeah.
people. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm up to.